Hello everyone, welcome to the Power of Passion series, and I hope you're liking the series and also started following your passion. If you have not started yet, then do watch our previous videos and start now because the world belongs to the action takers. Now, in the last video, we talked about the 7 pillars of the passion perseverance. तो हमने पिछले वीडियो में बात की थी उन 7 पिलर्स की जिनको अगर आप अपने लाइफ स्टाइल में इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं so there is no stopping, nobody is going to stop you, and even the life will not be able to hamper or disturb your perseverance towards the passion. तो वो 7 पिलर्स क्या थे आज उनको दिखाने के लिए I have got a beautiful graphic for you. Now these are the 7 pillars of passion perseverance, और इसको डिफाइन करने के लिए हमने पैशन को एज एन एक्रोनिम यूज किया है where P stands for persistence, A stands for allocating time, S stands for self-discipline, and the second S stands for system and strategies, I stands for intention, O stands for organize, and N stands for net growth. Now what we will do from today onwards, we'll go deep into these individual pillars and we'll learn how to be able to include them in our lifestyle. So what are the 6 steps which are there which will help us to achieve the persistence that we are searching for? So here comes the 6 steps. These are very simple steps that if you follow them, it will be very much easy for you to be persistent on your passion. So the first step is role model. तो रोल मॉडल यहाँ पर क्या है, कौन है, ये चीजें समझने की जरूरत है. तो अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जिस एज में आप हो या जिस सिनेरियो में आप हो या जिस भी कंडीशन में आप हो, आप वो पहले इंसान हो जिसके साथ ये चीजें हो रही हैं? आई गेस योर आंसर विल बी नो. भाई आपसे भी पहले बहुत से लोग इस दुनिया में आ चुके हैं और उन लोगों ने भी वही प्रॉब्लम्स फेस की हैं जो आज की डेट में आप फेस कर रहे हो. So what is the simple way we can be able to learn from them? What is a simple thing that we can do to learn from those people? It is very easy. Search for a role model for the problem that you are looking solution for. जिस भी problem का आप solution खोज रहे हैं, search for a role model or a mentor who can tell you that role model's name or that will lead you to that particular role model जिनसे आप सीख सकते हो. Now what you have to do, you just have to follow that role model कि उस particular person ने अपने लाइफ में जिस प्रॉब्लम से आज मैं स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूं उसने उस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व किया. If you follow a role model, you will easily be getting out of the problem that you are having right now. The role model can be anyone. You just have to search for him or her कि वो कौन सा रोल मॉडल है जिसने ये प्रॉब्लम फेस की थी and he has successfully solved that problem and moved ahead or upgraded his lifestyle. आपको उस रोल मॉडल को सर्च करना है and you have to follow what he did for coming out of that particular problem. और जब भी आप अपने एक प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आ जाओगे, you will be easily persisting on your passion. Now the second step is look at the bigger picture. Now in the last video we also talked about why do people fail? Because they don't have a bigger mission. आपको अपने लिए एक बड़ी पिक्चर, एक बड़ा मिशन डिसाइड करना है, एक बड़ा विजन बनाना है. Once you have that bigger vision in your mind, there is no stopping. That will be acting as a fuel to whatever thing that you are doing. आप अपने बिगर विजन को जब अपने माइंड में रखते हो, देन आप समझ सकते हो कि जो भी चीज आप अभी कर रहे हो, is it helpful in achieving that bigger picture or not? If not, then leave that thing. So आपके पास एक बिगर पिक्चर हमेशा होनी चाहिए जिससे आपके डिसीजन मेकिंग की एबिलिटी में बहुत ही फायदा होता है. बिकॉज यू कैन डिसाइड वेदर दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी इन अचीविंग माई बिगर पिक्चर और नॉट. And the third step is very easy. Once you are ready with the bigger picture, break it into small actionable steps. Why actionable steps? It should not be like is ऐसे steps आपको नहीं उसे बनाने हैं कि आप उसे फिर कर ही ना पाओ. जैसे कुछ लोगों का क्या होता है, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्कूल गोइंग स्टूडेंट. तो जब उनके एग्जाम्स आते हैं तो एक दिन पहले सोचते हैं कि आज मैं पूरे 15 चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लूंगा, विच इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल टू कंप्लीट 15 चैप्टर्स इन अ डे. आपको करना क्या है, आप प्लानिंग कीजिए पहले से ही कि अगर ये 15 चैप्टर्स हैं तो इनको मैं छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में कैसे तैयार कर सकता हूँ. ब्रेक इट इनटू 15 चैप्टर, गो देन pick one chapter, break it into individual topics, then even go further and narrow down the topics into the important topics. Start with the important ones first and then go wide in your approach and cover all the topics in that chapter. ये बहुत आसान स्टेप है. इसी तरीके से अगर लाइफ में आप अपना कोई ड्रीम है, आपकी कोई पैशन है, आप उसे एज अ बिगर पिक्चर देखते हो, तो देन सी व्हाट आर द एक्शनेबल स्टेप दैट रिक्वायर. पहले आप एक्शनेबल स्टेप्स को नैरो डाउन कीजिए कि कौन से सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है जिससे मेरा फाउंडेशन बिल्ड होगा. प्लान दोज थिंग एंड कंप्लीट दोज थिंग. तो बिगर पिक्चर को एक्शनेबल स्टेप्स में आपको तोड़ना है एंड देन इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू अचीव अ बिगर पिक्चर. एंड यू शुड ऑल्सो फॉलो अ टाइमलाइन व्हाइल डिसाइडिंग द एक्शन स्टेप्स. ऐसा नहीं है मुझे ये करना है और कब करना है ये पता ही नहीं. डिवाइड दैट and make the break it into actionable steps, but also with a time boundary. Now the fourth one is very important, be a part of community. Now जैसे आप जिन लोगों के साथ रहते हैं आप वैसे ही हो जाते हैं. Your mind is actually the average of the 5 people that you are being surrounded by. आपका दिमाग आपके चारों ओर 5 ऐसे लोग जिनसे आप सराउंडेड हो, सबसे ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस हो, आपका दिमाग भी वैसा ही बिहेव करता है, आप खुद वैसे ही बिहेव करते हो. If you are sitting with the 5 millionaires, you are the sixth one. You're going to be the sixth one because आप उनकी mindset को absorb करते हो. But if you are sitting with the losers, if you are sitting with the people, those who are not at all following their passions, you will be the sixth one to be like them, a failure. And I'm sure that you don't want to be a failure. So always be a part of that community where the like-minded people are there who can motivate you, who can inspire you to achieve something big in your life. So always try to be a part of a great community. So the fifth step is to measure your progress. Always measure your progress, whether big or small. Check whether those action steps are being completed on time or not. See, 3 days in a week is better than none in a week. अगर 3 दिन भी आप अपने पैशन को डेडिकेट कर रहे हो, that would be much better than not at all giving the time to your passion. And you also have to measure your progress and celebrate it. Even if you are making a small progress, that is a very big thing. Follow the nature, follow the law of nature. Growth is a slow process. Accept it. Don't get too excited. Don't get too depressed when the things are slow. Just follow the path, follow the system, progress every day. If not every day, then break it into that so that you progress at least. Don't just stay at the same place. So measure your progress. Always measure your progress. Until unless you will measure it, you will not be able to recognize कि आपने कितनी progress की अपने life में. Always measure it. Have a tracker. Now we'll discuss how to build a tracker and all in the coming videos. And the sixth one is very important. Reward yourself. Reward yourself for being on the path of the growth. If you are learning something new today, reward yourself. Give yourself a reward. The reward cannot always be like, it will not always be like a big thing. It can be a small thing. Just a small thing like talking to your friend. That's the reward. Going out of your home. That's the reward. Listening to a beautiful music you want to. That's the reward. Reward yourself for each progress that you are making and celebrate it like you are enjoying the progress you are making. Okay. And be a little harsh when you are getting a little failure also. Rewarding yourself is good, but if you are failing, don't get too depressed. Okay. Don't get too depressed because life and time will change. You will come out of it. So give yourself reward even if you are making a small progress. So these are the 6 steps. If you follow them, you will be persistent in your passion. So I hope you liked it. And the next is the next step. So if you still don't know who is your role model, search for them and tell us the name of your role model in the comment section. And also, like every day, I would like you to share the biggest takeaway from today's session. See, sharing your biggest takeaways on the social media platform, on your status, and writing it in the comment section just concrete the knowledge that you are getting here. If you will not write these things, you may have a chance of forgetting them. So try to tell the world that what you are learning. Be proud of learning whatever you are doing in these sessions. So this is it from today. Have a nice day and be cheerful. And I hope you will follow your passion till it reaches its destination. Thank you and have a passionate day ahead, my friends.